This side today I will discuss about set error element in OmniScript, and I will also discuss about the messaging element in OmniScript. So set error element in OmniScript we use to ensure that the user is not able to move into the second step. So let's suppose that there is step one and you wanted to add some validation, so that if those validation are not getting fulfilled, you don't want the applicant or the customer to move ahead into the second steps. So to fire those condition, we use the set error element. And so in set error element, we provide the condition on which we don't want to move user from one step to another step, and also the message you wanted to display when those conditions are becoming true. Okay. So I will just go to my org. Here you can see one of the example. So first name, last name, and refund, and this four elements are there. So let me preview this OmniScript. So let me preview this one. So here you can see there are first name, last name, checkbox, and refund. Okay. So if let's suppose that I'm choosing this, do you want to apply for refund? There is a checkbox, and if I don't provide any value and click next, so I am able to move to the next step, and it's asking me to provide the phone number, right? But technically, if you are choosing this checkbox that you want the refund, in that case, you have to provide the refund value. Then only you should move ahead, right? So if I wanted to make the restriction to the user that if they have choose this checkbox and this refund value is null, in that case, he should not move to the next step. You have to use the set error element. Okay. So what I will do, just minimizing this step one. So in the build section, I will just search set error element. Okay, and I'm putting after this set value 1, and here I have in the condition view I have to provide the condition. Okay, at what condition based this set error element should has to invoke. So if this checkbox is true and this refund value is null, in that case this set error element has to be invoked. So I will just provide in the condition view that won't refund, this is a checkbox, is true, save. And I have to also add this condition, the refund, this refund element is null. So if the user is choosing the checkbox but the refund value is null, that means I have to provide the error that okay, please user, please provide the refund value because you have choose the do you want refund, apply for refund. Okay. So I will just go back again and add in the condition one more element. So this is the AND condition, refund equals to null. So if I'm choosing checkbox and refund value is null, this set error element has to be fire, and I have to show, I have to provide at which particular element I have to show the error and what error I have to show. So now he's choosing checkbox and providing the null value. The set error element will navigate to particular element and show the error. So at which particular element you wanted to navigate or show the error. So I am just want that show some error at refund element, and error will be please provide the refund value. Save. So I'm clicking preview. Okay, I'm clicking preview and I'm clicking do you want to apply for refund, and I'm leaving this refund value as in blank and clicking next. So here you can see, it's showing me the error to this refund element and it's giving me the error, please provide the refund value. So why, how it is happening? It is happening because of this set error element, because this set error element is getting fired when I'm choosing this checkbox and refund value is null. And here in the element error map, I given the reference of this refund, like navigate to this refund element and show this error, please provide the refund value. So that's why this box become red when this condition got fire. So this is how you can basically restrict the user to move from one step to another step if some conditions are getting fired and true. Now there's another element called messaging element. So I'm just putting the messaging element and okay, and I am giving the same condition here as well in the messaging element. So messaging element is also do the same kind of things, but the thing is that the messaging element, it get fired initially. It get fired initially, and when the condition, it basically check the condition initially. I mean to say, like on the load of the component, it will get fired and it will show the error initially. So that's basically don't looks good. So in some time we use a messaging element for restricting the user. In some case we use a set error element. So okay, so one more thing I would like to highlight. So messaging element get fired even if you click next, or even if you not click the next, because this element is inside this step. So messaging element get fired within the step. It's no matter if you're clicking next or not, but this set error element will only fire when you click next. So this is one of the difference. And the message, the way it show the error message is also quite different. So let me add the condition. So condition is that uh, okay, so this is a conditional, this is I have to provide is the I have to provide the conditional view. So conditional view is like if this is true, and refund fund is false, or like it's null, save. And in the validation, so in the validation expression, so I wanted to make the field required. I wanted to make it required. Like the required means that you don't want user to move ahead. So for this one we use the required, and if you wanted to show some warning message comment, then you can use this warning message. Okay, but as of now I'm just choosing like make it required. Like if this condition is not getting fulfilled, if this error is not removing from the step, then it don't allow user to move ahead. Okay, so I'm just deleting okay, I mean just making it inactive, this setter element. And the messaging element validation expression, I'm providing the condition that uh, want refund is equals to false. So this is just the opposite condition of the condition view, so that I can fire the false condition. And refund is not equals to null, and I will have to just click this false condition. So why I provided this condition, so whatever the, if you wanted to make it required now, so your this validation condition has to be false. So to make it this validation condition false, what I have done, I just make opposite condition of this condition view, so that whatever the opposite condition will be there in the validation expression, it will become false, it will not become true. And it will make the message like the condition required. So required means it will not let you move ahead unless or until that message become disappear. Please provide the refund bracket में from message. So let's preview this one. So let me refresh. Taking some time. So I'm just choosing this, so you can see this message is coming from the messaging element. So this messaging element is not basically make a element into the red box. So this box is not becoming red as compared to set error element, but it's showing this message. And if I will click next, it will not let me move ahead, right? But this message element get fired if before clicking the next button. As soon as the condition become true, it will just render over here. But for set error element, you have to click next. So this is the major difference between set error element and the messaging element. So that's it for this video. If you have any issue, or you want to implement something else into Velocity, and in that case you can reach out to me. I will definitely help you out. Thank you. Subscribe my channel if you wanted to watch some more relevant videos related to Velocity and Salesforce.